How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I've got here with me the latest flagship from iQOO, the iQOO 15. And thanks to OriginOS 6, things have changed a lot when it comes to using an iQOO or Vivo phone. I have been using this as my primary phone for a couple of weeks now, and honestly, the software experience have improved a lot compared to the days of FunTouchOS. In fact, there are so many interesting, useful features and customizations that just makes the overall experience a lot more satisfying to use. With that being said, today in this video, I'll be showing you some of the useful, exciting new features of OriginOS 6 that will surely help you get the most out of your Vivo or iQOO phone. It's gonna be a really interesting one, so stay tuned and watch it until the very end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, we'll start things with the lock screen because it's the first thing we see every time we pick up our phones. OriginOS 6 has so much to offer here in terms of customizations. You just need to pinch with your two fingers to go directly to the customization screen. Not only do you get some beautiful presets with gorgeous looking wallpapers combined with cool looking fonts and options to customize the clock style, it even lets you choose between the solid and glass effect for the lock screen clock, and unlike other Android skins, they keep adding new lock screen styles with software updates, so you won't be getting bored with this built-in themes and customizations. Now my favorite lock screen feature is this flip cards option. You will not get any such feature on other Android phones except for the Vivo or iQOO devices running OriginOS 6. Once you apply this effect to your lock screen, whenever you tilt your phone like this, it will automatically change your lock screen wallpaper. The best part, you can also add your own wallpapers from the gallery and change the transition effect as well. So although we get similar lock screen customizations on every Android UI these days, this particular feature is something that is really unique and can only be found on the OriginOS 6. Another interesting feature is the way how you can customize the fingerprint icon as well as the animation too. You just need to go inside your phone settings, then to home screen and lock screen. Here you need to click on dynamic effects, and this is where you can do a lot of amazing stuff. First things first, in order to customize your fingerprint icon, just tap on the lock screen fingerprint, and here you can choose from a variety of different styles. What's even more interesting is that you can click on this plus icon and add your initials, which will appear as your fingerprint icon on the lock screen. How cool is that? And guys, you can also change the fingerprint animation too. Again, you get so many different options to choose from. Not just that, it even lets you customize the Face ID animation. So if you're using face recognition on your phone, you can tweak and add some cool looking animation whenever you unlock your phone using Face ID. Now apart from all of this, there are options to customize the charging animation. You can add some cool transition for the screen unlock animation, add some nice effect to the touch screen. And the best part is you can also tweak and enhance the app opening and closing animation by adding motion blur and adjusting the animation speed. So just like Samsung's One UI, OriginOS 6 also lets you customize and tweak system animations here, and you don't even have to install any additional app like GoodLock on this phone. You can get all these customizations built right inside your phone settings. Next, if we talk about the home screen, here the first thing you need to do is just make sure you have enabled the dock feature, and for that just long press on your home screen, go to settings, then simply click on dock and turn it on. This not only visually enhances your home screen look, but there is also a secret feature that can be accessed by swiping all the way from the left, and it's called private space. Here you can store all your private data, including the apps too, and you can lock this private space using a different fingerprint and sign in with a different account as well. So this private space will keep all your sensitive data safe and secure. At the same time, you can even access it quickly with just a simple swipe. Next, if you talk about the app folders, not only can you resize them however you want to, but if you just long press on it, you do get option to customize and change the folder color, which is again something not available on many other Android UIs. And if you look at the app icons, There is an option to increase or decrease the icon size, and you can also change the shape as well. But what's more interesting is that you can search and download some exclusive Origin dual tone icons from the theme store, and once you apply any of these on your home screen, it completely changes the overall look and feel. I mean, it perfectly matches the aesthetics and the design language of OriginOS 6. Now, one of my favorite features that I really liked is this all new Origin Island. This no doubt is inspired by the iOS dynamic island, but I think the implementation here is top notch. It has the music player that works with most of the streaming apps, and the way how the theme of this island changes to match that album cover looks really cool. And just look at the animation, it is extremely smooth and fluid. Guys, the best part is that it supports contextual suggestions, which means let's say you copy a phone number that someone has shared, it gives you suggestions inside the island to quickly save it as a contact or to share it directly with someone. Similarly, if you copy a link, it gives suggestion to open the link directly from the island. Not just that, you can also drag and drop text or pictures that you have copied directly to this island, and it can save a lot of your time. I really like the way how this Origin Island works, and it even allows you to pin your favorite applications as well. This has to be the best implementation of Dynamic Island that you have seen on Android, and to enable all these features, just head over to your phone settings, then to notifications and status bar. Here go inside the Dynamic Island and make sure you have turned on both the contextual suggestions and drag and drop feature. You can also click on pinned services and add some of your favorite apps that you can directly access from the Origin Island. Another useful feature which I found inside the app drawer is when you long press on any app icon, you get this pin option that will help you to pin and quickly access all your favorite apps from the top. So this way you can pin all your frequently used applications which will stay at the top all the time. And by the way, you can also create app folders inside the app drawer itself, which is again something you won't find on many other Android UIs. And to do that, just simply click on the top right menu, select manage, and choose the apps that you want to put in one folder. Finally, hit on this option called new folder. That's it. This is how you can keep your app drawer clean and organized. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the features and settings that I found really useful and unique on the OriginOS 6. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature, and if you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.